Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to buy PEPE coins on Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, obtain a cryptocurrency exchange account. So sign up and create an account on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports PEPE coin. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or KuCoin. Now, complete the verification process. So depending on the exchange, you may need to complete a verification process that involves providing identification documents and other personal information. Now you need to deposit funds. To deposit funds into your exchange account. You can typically deposit popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum and then trade them for Pepe coin. So find a Pepe coin trading pair. Once your funds are deposited, locate the Pepe coin trading pair. It is usually denoted as Pepe slash BTC or Pepe or ETH, depending on the base currency. Now place a buy order. Enter the amount of Pepe coin you want to purchase and specify the price at which you're willing to buy. You can choose between a market order, so it is buy at the current market price, or limit order, buy at a specific price. Now review and confirm the order. Double check the details of your buy order, including the amount, price, and any applicable fees. Confirm the order to execute the purchase. Withdraw Pepe coin to Trust Wallet. Once your purchase is complete, withdraw the Pepe coin from the exchange to your Trust Wallet. Obtain your Pepe coin wallet address from Trust Wallet and provide it as the withdrawal address as the exchange. So it is important to conduct thorough research on any cryptocurrency, including Pepe coin, before making any investments. Ensure that you choose reputable exchanges and exercise caution when dealing with new or lesser known cryptocurrencies. Additionally, keep in mind that the availability and trading options for a specific cryptocurrency can change over time. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.